Hi there, my name is Crystal and I thank you for joining me. It's nice to have a little witness to your life, to your successes and some of the failures. So back in the fall of 2025, I noticed a feral cat in the backyard, and she was an orange cat, and I thought she was male because orange cats are generally male. Well, it turned out it was a female, and she had kittens under the shed. This shed. Go back to the mama kitty. Whoop. My chair just broke. I'm using a plastic tub. Yes, I just broke a chair. My makeshift tote. I was using it as a chair. But I'm not moving. I'm just going to stay here and explain this upcoming video. So the mama kitty had other cats in the neighborhood, and they spent the summer under my Crawlspace. So this spring I went under and I noticed that there was a lot of insulation down. So that's what this video is about. It's not all finished, but it's an excellent start. I got some cardboard to lay in the Crawlspace so I can maneuver around a little bit easier. I have the wires. Have I ever done this before? No. It's a mess under here. So, I got these wires from Amazon, and I'm going to use them to hang up what's hanging down. These are long wires. They're insulation wires. I didn't know they existed, but now I'm glad to know. I think this might fit. I think these are 16s. We'll see. I'm gonna give it a go. Up there, over here. You're supposed to just be able to pop it in there. Well, it held it up. Let's see, bathtub plumbing. That's another day. Ouch! Yeah. It's a mess down here, but it's dry. Very good. I'm going to get that hung up and that pulled down. So, there's a big strip. And there's some. Okay. I got the wires. Got the insulation. I just got to do it. Wire, sag, shove it all up in there.